function v for the volume in cube yards of the right circular cone shown. Then write a function w that gives the volume in cubic yards of the cone when x is measured in feet. Find and interpret w of 3. So first of all, let's see the formula for the volume. Is v is equal with 1/3 pi r square h. But r here, as we see, r is equal with 3x. So I'm not writing the units, is in the yard. And the h is equal with x plus 3. And I'm not writing the units in the yard. But now, let me write the volume here. The volume is in the cubic yard. Okay, so the volume is equal. So let me write the formula, pi times r square. This is 1/3, and instead of the pi, I'm writing pi instead of the r square, and is a h, because h is here. And instead of the r square, I'm writing 3x squared time, instead of the h, x plus 3. And as I mentioned before, so everything here is in the yard cubic. So the units are yard cubic. So v of x, so because we are writing with respect of the x, we can write 1/3 pi, and this 3 can be 3 square x squared times x plus 3, which happens here to be in the yard cubic. So in the yard cubic. So this is what is the unit. But here says, then write a function w that gives the volume in a cubic yard. Now this yard, we are writing, instead of the cubic yard, we are writing when x is measured in feet. So instead of the yard cubic, we are writing in the feet. So wx, so we're writing now this function. So let me write with different color, maybe it looks better. And just let me erase this one here. So let me write with different color. So wx is going to be 1/3 pi times r square is 3 square, x square, x plus 3. And instead of the yard, I'm writing feet. But let me convert from a yard cubic into the feet cubic. 1 feet, 3 feet, in fact, are equal with 1 yard. If we are multiplying by 3, because I want to know the cubic, because here are yard cubic and I wanted to convert into the feet cubic. If I'm multiplying by, if I'm raising to the exponent 3 everything, is going to be 3 cubic. Feet cubic is equal with 1 yard cubic. If we are cubing a whole this equation. And now, instead of the 1 yard cubic, I'm going here to plug in 3 cubic feet cubic. So now we convert it into the cubic feet. And now what we can do here? Let's write here wx is equal, but 1 square here we can simplify by square here. What do we have? What do we have here is a pi times 3, and is a x square is a x cubic, if we are distributing here, plus 3x, and 3 cubic is a feet cubic. And now here says in the example we have find and interpret w of 3. Okay, so now instead of the x we are writing 3. And what do we have here? Pi times 3 we have here. So this is a square because I'm multiplying by x squared. So what do we have inside? I'm writing a 3 cubic plus a 3 times 3 square times 3 cubic, and everything is in the feet cubic. Okay, so w of 3 we have, but now this is just let me simplify a little bit. 3 cubic, and this is 3 times 3 is a 3 cubic, and I can write 2 times 3 cubic times 3 cubic. This 3 cubic here is in the feet cubic. And now if we want to simplify further, now this 2 I can write in the front 2 times, so I'm writing in the exponents, and 3 cubic times 3 cubic times 3 in 1 is going to be 3 in a 7 pi feet cubic. So it means that the volume of the cone, if we are expressing in the feet cubic, is going to be 2 times 3 in the 7 pi feet cubic.